Oops, I'm here. I know that आप सब लोग कब से वेट कर रहे थे. मुझे इतने सारे कमेंट्स आए कि YouTube चैनल कब आएगा कब आएगा. I made it, guys. I'm here. So today I'm gonna take you on a journey. Hope you all will enjoy the journey. I'm gonna do something with soft paces. So enjoy the ride and give some love. Let me know in comments how you guys are liking it. Let's go. I'm going to do soft pastel colors. So I love drawings, paintings and all. So मैं बचपन से काफ़ी करते आ रही हूँ. तो बीच में काफ़ी ब्रेक हुआ and then whenever I used to get time and it's a kind of a meditative state and also like I love artistic forms. So yeah, तो मैं बीच बीच में soft pastel करना चालू किया and starting में I was okay but then later on थोड़ा build up होता गया and after long I am doing it again. So I want you all to be with me till the end. So let's see how it's gonna turn up and I'm super excited. Stay here. Alright, so मैंने just एक rough paper लिया है and I'm gonna give them a border so that it won't move and it will look neat as well. I'm visible. काफ़ी लोग whoever is watching me, I believe there are a lot of creative people out there. Please don't judge me कि अगर कुछ उल्टा सीधा मैंने कर दिया होगा या like everybody is trying in their own way and whatever I do it's my kind of a creative thing. But yeah, I hope like you guys also do some kind of a creative thing for yourself, like a passion, like hobby, घर पे बैठे बैठे like music हो या drawings हो. So just I would like to say कि keep doing it, keep practicing it. जैसे मेरा flow बीच में टूटा था and अभी yesterday I was just thinking about it and I was like यार I should start doing it again. So I was like, let me start with my fam. And here we are. So I'm super excited, guys. So bumpy आता है ना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम देता है when you are drawing. So you have to be neat here with the borders. I don't know आप सब में किस किस को पता होगा कि मैं ड्राइंग भी करती हूँ या what all I do या फिर इंस्टाग्राम में कुछ हाइलाइट्स में देखा होगा. Yeah, so I'm planning to do something with the nature landscape. So it could be like a street pathway and some mountains snowing like पहाड़ों की वादियाँ की beach. So that's my perspective. So let's start it. So these are my soft pastel colors. काफ़ी पुराना हो गया है. So actually ये मेरी बहन का था जो उसने कुछ यूज़ नहीं किया है ज़्यादातर. So I think after it's been I think 9 years that ये soft pastel मेरे पास है and I बीच बीच में लॉकडाउन में मैंने यूज़ किया था and now again I'm using it. So color, so I'm using black so that थोड़ा सा white डालकर मैं थोड़ा bleach कर सकती हूँ उसको. So let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the reference. या फिर end तक रुकना है आपको. बन गया यार, मतलब क्या बस नहीं है. ग्रेवी है, कैसे होगा. बन गया. White and black mixes great. That's the color magic. में क्या बस पहाड़ दिख रहे होंगे. But yeah, the colors are just like a magical thing. एक के ऊपर एक कलर आ जाता है तो like it creates something, you know. It merges like how nature does. Guys, वीडियो बीच में से ही बंद हो गया बिकॉज माई स्टोरेज गॉट फुल. बट हियर वी आर. थोड़ा बहुत आई थिंक रिकॉर्ड हुआ है एंड या बट देन इट्स नॉट येट डन. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट देयर बट देन थोड़ा काफ़ी बाकी है. सो लेट्स गो. ओनली थिंग इज कि पीठ गर्दन सब पेन होना चालू होता है. बट क्या कहते हैं, सबर का फल मीठा और मुझे तो सुकून मिल रहा है. आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग दैट आई एम मेकिंग इट एंड इट जस्ट फील्स लाइक माई सेल्फ. रेड और ब्लैक दोनों टूट गए. अगेन कॉम्बो which I was talking about, the color magic and all, like how it merges, how it helps, you know. And I think red भी टूट गया तो black भी टूट गया. I don't know, it makes sense to you, but yeah, it's making sense for me. Does that make sense to you? Yeah, by the way guys, like I have my friend along and it was his first time ever he's trying soft pastel because I was planning to do it. So even we were like कि why not you also try. He did try and उसका already खत्म हो गया है. Say hi. I think at least wave and get the pastel. But I'm so proud of him that, you know, it's first time he tried and he did really well though. So hope you guys have watched Vikings. So he loved Viking series, and his favorite character is Loki. Loki is a boat builder, so he likes him. He likes his character, so he thought of making something for that person, and there you go. Do you see that? Wow. Actually उसने पहले बहुत अच्छे से नीटली किया था, but then because of some mistake black color it's hard to erase, so पूरा merge करके rebuilded, again he reconstructed the board, and yeah, it came out really well, and this is the additional. Wow, I'm just impressed. What do you guys think? First time soft pastel, it's not easy. Wow, that's good. Wow, you did really well. I'm still trying. It's going somewhere. It could have been like a little bit curved, but then वो थोड़ा straight चला गया because of some mistake. So I have to improvise with it. So कहते हैं ना कि लाइफ में भी मिस्टेक्स होती है, पर उससे क्या सीखते हो और उससे क्या इम्प्रोवाइज करके इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे वो आपके ऊपर होता है. So lesson taken. वापस से कट गया यार. I have to fix the storage thing. But yeah, I was just talking about I'm being here in the live, and it's so beautiful, mountains, sunlight, greenery. मेरे को ना ऐसा खून खोलता है जब नेचर के साथ कोई अत्याचार करता है. So it's just like against. I'm just against it. But yeah, it's just that मैं आप सबको ये रिक्वेस्ट कर सकती हूँ कि आपसे जितना हो सके उतना मदर नेचर को सेव करने की कोशिश करना. I'm doing my job, but I'm doing my part, but then I also want who all are watching, small request from my side कि जो भी ये वीडियो देखते हैं मेरे साथ, you guys are giving me so much support and love. I just want you all to be responsible citizen and a human being and take that responsibility for your own good. Please आपसे जितना हो सके उतना मदर नेचर को प्लीज सेव करो. वो है तो हम है. I just believe that, and please take this message forward and implement in your day-to-day life. It will really help our Mother Earth. So yeah. But यार मुझे तो आपको पूरा जर्नी तक लेके जाना था, like whatever I'm doing, the soft pastel color. But कोई ना, storage का मैं fix करूँगी next time ये होने नहीं दूँगी. But thank you so much for watching and giving me such beautiful smile of yours, and I would say just thank you. And that's all. I think it's almost done. Just a little bit of snow I'm putting it, and again I'm just worried कि वो वापस से कट ना हो जाए. But yeah, I think I am almost there. Just 2 minutes. It's done, guys, and yeah, so that's it. Let me just clear this. And there you go. So that is what I have drawn. So let's go. Look at that. What do you guys think about it? I'll definitely put up the picture on in the end. So do comment and let me know the real feedback of yours, guys. And thank you for watching till the end. And I love you guys so much. Aapka pyar and support is just it's जैसा ये मॉर्निंग ब्लिस हो रहा है ना, वैसे ही मेरा दिल ब्लिस हो जाता है. So yeah, thank you so much guys, love you, and please do like, share and subscribe for my YouTube channel and keep supporting.